Have you ever wondered how those online stores seem to have an endless supply of trendy products without ever stocking them? Well, the answer might be Modalyst. It's a platform that connects you to a vast network of suppliers, allowing you to add their products directly to your online store. But how exactly do you do that? Let's dive in. Part 1. Creating your Modalyst account. The first step is to create a Modalyst account. It's a simple process that involves providing your basic information, such as your name, email, and password. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. Part 2. Exploring the supplier network. Modalyst's strength lies in its extensive network of suppliers. You can explore their offerings by browsing through various categories like fashion, home decor, electronics, and more. Each supplier has a profile that showcases their products, shipping times, and return policies. Part 3. Adding products to your store. Once you've found a product you like, it's time to add it to your store. Here's a step-by-step guide. Select the product. Click on the product image to view its details, including pricing and variations. Check product availability. Ensure the product is in stock and ready to be shipped. Add to cart. Click the Add to Cart button to add the product to your shopping cart. Review your cart. Review your cart to make sure you've selected the correct items and quantities. Checkout. Proceed to checkout and enter your shipping information. Modalyst offers different pricing models, so be sure to choose the one that best suits your business needs. You can either purchase products individually or opt for a subscription plan that provides additional benefits. Part 4. Managing your orders. After placing an order, you can track its status on your Modalyst dashboard. Once the product arrives at your supplier's warehouse, it will be shipped directly to your customer. Modalyst handles the entire fulfillment process, making it hassle-free for you. Part 5. Customizing product listings. To ensure a seamless customer experience, you can customize your product listings on your online store. This includes adding your own descriptions, images, and pricing. Modalyst provides tools to help you create attractive and informative product pages. Part 6. Handling returns and refunds. If a customer returns a product, Modalyst will handle the refund process. You'll need to follow their guidelines for returns and exchanges. It's important to communicate the return policy clearly to your customers. Part 7. Promoting your products. Once your products are listed on your store, it's time to promote them. You can use various marketing channels like social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, to reach potential customers. Adding products to Modalyst is a straightforward process that can significantly expand your product offerings. By leveraging their supplier network, you can offer a diverse range of products to your customers without the need for inventory management. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring Modalyst and take your online store to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.